Hello dear students, today we are going to solve exercise 9a. Many of you have solved it, but some of you told me that they are finding it little difficult to solve these problems, the last one especially. So I will be solving the last few sums for you. Sum number 8. Okay, so you see here what is the problem. We have how many types of bracket? We have a small bracket, okay, and then we have here we have a small bracket, okay, and then we have a curly bracket, and also we have a square bracket here. So let us first concentrate on the small bracket. So this is what we have to solve first. So what is 6 plus 4? 10, isn't it? So we will go on, we will solve it. 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, so next step, yeah, here. So we have replaced this 6 plus 4 as 10. See here, 6 plus 4, we have made it into 10. Now what is our next step? Let us see. This is the curly bracket that we have to solve, isn't it? After the small bracket, we have to solve the curly bracket. So 8 minus 10. Now we know that these are of two different signs. This is plus and this is minus. So whenever we have opposite sign, okay, what do? We have to subtract, isn't it? So 10 minus 8 is 2. And which sign we have to give? We have to put the sign of the bigger number because they are the winners, isn't it? We have learned that when two opposite teams come, they will fight each other. So we will minus and then we will put the sign of the greater number. So here what we will get? We will get minus 2. Okay, negative 2. So I will just replace this with negative 2. See, instead of this, I have written what? Negative 2. Now this negative sign means that we have to change this sign to positive. Negative and negative make positive, isn't it? So because of this sign, I have to change the sign. This negative sign is saying change the sign. So I will change the sign and make it into plus. So here see, I have changed this sign and I have made it into a plus. So what is 3 plus 2? Yes, 3 plus 2 is 5. So the sum becomes very, very easy now. 22 minus 5. And what is 22 minus 5? That is 17. So this is the answer for the first sum, 17. Okay. Now we are coming to the ninth sum. Now this ninth sum looks a bit longer. It has a square bracket, a curly bracket, then it has what? Small bracket also and a vinculum also. So we have a lot many things here. So first we have to concentrate on the vinculum. This vinculum has to be seen first. Okay. Now let us see what we will do. We will solve this vinculum. 28 minus 26. What is 28 minus 26? It's 2. So I'll just replace this. Very easy. I have replaced this 28 minus 26 as 2. Rest everything is copied perfectly. Okay. Now next we will solve this small bracket. 24 minus 2 is what? 22. So I will write 22 here. Instead of 24 minus 2, I will write 22. Now I will divide 66. Why I should divide? Look here, we have a choice. Add is there and divide is there. So we will call that rule BODMAS and check. Yes, division comes first. So I will divide. 66 divided by 22 is 3. So instead of that I'll write 3. So instead of 66 divided by 22 I am writing 3 here. Now what is 30 plus 3? 33. Everybody knows that. So I will write 33 now. Now it is time to remove the bracket. I didn't remove it because there was a negative sign here. That is why I didn't remove and write 33. I just wanted to check. Okay. So now the sign change means I can put minus sign here, isn't it? So I will just write 29 minus 33. Because this was plus, I made it minus. 29 minus 33. And now here there is a problem. 29 minus 33 plus and minus. So which is bigger number? 33. So the sign will be negative. Okay. You have to put this flag on, isn't it? Minus 3. 33 minus 29 we will solve, and we'll see it is 4. But we will put a negative sign because this was greater number, isn't it? So we have to put the sign of the greater number. Now this negative sign says change your sign. So I will change the sign now, and it will become 34 plus 4. What is 34 plus 4? Everybody knows that, 38. So it is very simple, and we have solved the ninth sum also. Now let us see the 10th sum. See, what is the 10th sum? 60 minus, then curly bracket, 16 divided by small bracket 4 into 6 minus 8. So first we have to concentrate on the small bracket. So I will look here. Now there is a problem here. See, there is a multiplication sign and also a minus sign. So when there is too many choices, like you have choices, no? Your mother will ask, what will you have in the morning? Will you have bread, or will you have oats, or will you have dosa? So when you have many choice, you have to set your preference, isn't it? So I have a rule. Whenever I am faced with many choices, I have a rule called what? BODMAS. BODMAS. This is BODMAS. So when there are too many choices, first I have to solve the bracket. Then if there is any off, then divide, then multiply, then add, then subtract. So according to this, I have two choices, multiply and subtract. So which comes first? Multiply. So I will multiply this. First I will multiply this 6 into 4. So we know how much is 6 fours are 24. So I will just replace this 6 into 4 with 24. So see here, instead of 6 into 4, I have written what? 24. Now easy peasy, 24 minus 8. Okay, so I have to just solve 24 minus 8 here. So 24 minus 8 is what? 16. So I have come here, 24 minus 8 is 16. Okay, then what is 16 divided by 16? So everybody knows 16 divided by 16 is 1. So I'll replace 16 minus 1, and then that is 59. So this is a very simple sum, and we have finished this. Now let us go on to the next sum. We are going very, very fast. Look here. Here comes a sum. Now we have a square bracket, a curly bracket, a small bracket, and we have this bar bracket, or we say vinculum. So we have a vinculum here. So who gets the first priority? This vinculum. So what is there in the vinculum? 5 minus 3, and we know 5 minus 3 is 2. Oh, so it is very easy here. I will just write, instead of this 5 minus 3, I will write it as 2. So I have made 5 minus 3 into 2. Okay. So now, what is my sum now? I have a small bracket to solve now. So 4 minus 2 is what? 4 minus 2 is 2. So in the next step, I will write, instead of this 4 minus 2, I will write it as 2. Look here. So this bracket goes off. Now I have the curly bracket. Now again I have choice, plus and divide. Okay, so I know BODMAS rule says first you divide and then you add. Okay, so I have to divide first. So 18 divided by 2, this will be my main area of focus. 18 divided by 2 is 2 nines are 18. So I will replace it as 9. Okay, and after this I have to solve the curly bracket. So what is 9 plus 5? I know it is 14. So I will write 12 minus 14 here. Now here again I see the 12 minus 14 means this is plus and this is minus. So when opposite sign is there, what we have to do? We have to always subtract, isn't it? Fighting will go on. So I will subtract, which is the bigger number, this 14. So I will give the sign of this bigger number here. So minus 2. So the answer 12 minus 14 will be minus 2. Okay. So I'll write here 25 minus and this negative 2, isn't it? Now this sign tells change the sign, change the sign. So I'll make it now 25 plus 2 and we get what? 27. So that is finished now. So we have one more sum to go now. Let us try the next sum. This is a, oh, let it be, because this is a long sum, but it doesn't matter for us because it's so easy now to solve brackets. We are ready to face any challenge. Now you see here, small bracket. So first we know what we have to solve, small bracket. 9 minus 2 is what? 7. So I will write, I have written the sum again. Okay, let us see. 9 minus 2 is, this 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, so I have replaced this by 7. Now I have a choice whether to add or to divide. Bodmer's rule will come and help. Bodmer's rule says first divide and then add. Okay, so divide first. So 21 and divided by 7, we know 7 threes are 21, isn't it? So this is 3. So I will do it in a very easy way. 21 divided by, so I'll replace this by 3. Other all things I have to keep on copying, 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 isn't it? Okay, little tedious work, but we can improve our skill of carefully copying down and writing without making any mistakes here. Now what we have done, 12 plus 3 is 15. So I have written it 15 here. Now 16 minus 15, we know it is 1. So it is very simple, 15 minus 1 and 15 minus 1 is 14. So there ends our all problems, and it will be very easy. Now it is your time to do the sums yourself. Okay.